Put your bayonets on.
What
We don't have bayonets.
Oh my god.
Oh, you guys just dodged
Holy
there.
shit, yeah,
I do.
We are? I
Yeah.
had no idea.
Who the fuck it? Good
Oh, they're melee, and they only have 2 people. They can't shoot.
Cannonball went sailing over
Watch
you.
out for the sergeant major falling on you, bro.
Oh,
Run!
yeah, I'll
Get out of
kill
that!
this guy.
Are they sharpshooters?
No,
Right,
they're
Deb,
lying.
You deal with that.
They can't shoot.
Nice.
Fucking Kobe.
Get your reloads.
You will not be missed.
I have no ammo. I'm willing to sacrifice my life for Palestine.
What do you mean sharpshooters? We have muskets. Literal
Who's
muskets.
this we you're talking about?
Nice one, Thorn.
I hit him, didn't kill him with a fucking Whitworth. Oh, I killed him. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, you got him with a
I
headshot.
didn't see that. I thought I just hit him but didn't kill him.
Why do you think I said nice?
That's not how this works.
Yeah,
I like those odds.
Don't tell me.
No,
the
we
odds.
won't.
I got enough one.
Nice shot, Thorn.
Thank you.
Are they gonna try to charge us, or are they gonna...
I know, we got our position here. We
What the
good.
fuck? What's
Four-man-
going on? I hadn't killed him.
Four-man line, 290.
They're in a group of
Oh,
us.
he is. Oh man.
Watch out,
You
lads,
guys
watch out.
gotta kill this guy.
Oh, I hit him and didn't fucking kill him again.
Alright,
Targeted regiments that nobody really likes in the EU. Hey, good catch. You're
It's the same thing
Ow!
like how the French communities like to stick together and be really close.
Oh,
They are conformed. I'm not even joking. Every German group is in the TGV. There are none anywhere else.
good catch, striker.
If events are hosted, would you go? And they went, if the devs do it, sure. But if people do it, probably not.
Oh,
And then
come
tell
on, I
them
hit
to
that.
host their fucking own.
Eddie, Eddie just took a shotgun
Really
shell.
have
If we don't,
Dib, grab a
I
shotgun.
can,
Grab a
I
shotgun.
can- If you guys can identify what color he is, I can become like a Minneapolis police department and just focus on his color.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, that's racist.
That's the fucking point.
Yeah, that's why it's funny.
For the Union.
Eddie,
Um,
for the union,
Oh,
for the
no!
for the coochie.
Dude, you.
They're on the flag.
I'm totally
We
not
got
going around to this flank. and gonna
Shotgun
try
are
and
dead.
destroy it.
His shotgun's loaded on the corner if you want to try and grab that. Camp in the door right now. Wait, coming out.
No!
Guys, I'm at their spawner. Yeah, and I said it was my worst clutch.
Your worst clutch. Wouldn't that be a
Then
good
what the
clutch,
fuck
though?
is your best clutch?
Striker's best
It hasn't
clutch is
happened
when
yet.
you got a girl to say hey back to him.
That ain't Striker's fault that you can't get the pussy.
I'm already suffering.
I get the pussy
allergies
and the
are
bussy.
killing
What the
me.
fuck are you talking about?
Where are they?
They have the fort, by the way.
oh, he's on top.
Is there
Right.
none of you defending that? Do I need to go back in there?
Yep.
Well, I died.
Inside the fort.
Fucking can't, like,
Can these guys
God.
open the fucking door? There we go, finally.
There he is again. Blast his ass.
Baby.
Okay,
Oh,
that
he
did
moved.
good. Oh, there.
Yeah, they're
Up
coming
there,
over
Shay.
the
Go Sapper.
fucking wall.
I can't
Hudson,
have
you
banners
second
for anyone.
fucking USC piece of shit.
Yo, Striker, look right through that fucking
You're
gap. I'm
killing
telling
me.
you, they're coming.
What the fuck was that?
Yo,
Anime, you've been volunteered. Run.
For what?
There we go. Oh, I aimed
You
the
deaf
right-
bitch.
I'm on your way.
Yo, I'm just gonna
Oh,
make
well.
a hole the old-fashioned way.
So,
All
I don't
right,
know about
everyone.
that.
Dapper.
Eddie,
God.
I need more cake.
Artillery coming in. What the actual fuck? I did point
What
blank that
unit are we?
motherfucker.
5 lives left.
where do we have any teammates that are just sitting around? 'Cause it sure as hell
multiple.
feels like there is.
Yeah.
Where
you do.
where are they?
That's how.
Jump the fence like a true-born Mexican.
Yeah, exactly.
They took our jabs.
Okay, that should not.
Alright, I'll have felling axe crates.
Weapon against like walls.
Yo, I got the only axe. Don't kill me. Oops, I just died. You fucking hoe. We
Enemy
now we can
suck.
now we go blue
He
strike.
shot his teammate.
Just stop punching the fucking wall.
Anime.
On the ground.
We're getting fucking mad at him, man.
On your left side. Okay.
I'm seeing more change than keep
I don't know.
changes.
Where are there swamps in Virginia?
Virginia's not a swamp, it's a cesspit. I think you do. You're just too scared to ask.
No, I know what you're
Coward.
going at. I know what you're going at. You know, it's like you and your guys. I'm like, you know, I'm bisexual. It's like, I thought you were gay. Okay, they forget I'm bisexual. We won. Let's go home.
Ha, king again.
Yeah, my entire regiment made up of North Vietnamese soldiers. It's kind of difficult because most of them have hearing aids nowadays, but we make for it somehow.
Species.
What the fuck?
Even I don't know what that means. I'm used to translate.
So Striker is a mole rat. I fucking knew it.
He's a naked mole rat. Call him what it is. A super rocket.
No.
It's basically just a cruise missile. But I don't.
I was really focused on killing rat. Now what do you want?
Do you see?
No, I don't know what would be the
Prodigy,
right
why are you
choice.
massacring Eddie?
All right,
Maybe.
I'm charging.
Shoot him.
Already on the right.
No, there's a friend. Are they an enemy?
No, it's enemy in the
Oh, yeah,
back.
it is enemy.
I'm not there.
I'm at. Oh god, am I?
Alright,
Oh,
just-
Nikki, you're safe. You're safe.
Dark, I'm so.
Oh god, Striker, you're gonna survive. I believe.
Oh.
Well, I don't want to hear Striker's plan. I want to hear Dip's plan.
Yeah, Dip should be ruling unless Striker wants to come back as leader.